Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to add a pull cord onto your back door so you can open it from the inside. Because on the Caddy vans and maybe some other vans, you can't open the back door from the inside, you can only open it from the outside. So today I'm going to show you how to add a lanyard just about here, which you can pull and then the door open from the inside. So guys, to do this you need something to open the door with, which we've gone for this lanyard, so I think it will match the white quite nice. You're going to need 2 cable ties and also some cable cutters. So the first step is you want to take this panel off so you can get to the internals of the door. There we go. So this is the mechanism that opens the door. So as you see, I pull the handle, a mechanism goes up and down. So all you want to do is put your cable tie around this one so that when you pull up on the lanyard, it pulls that piece of metal up. So you want to get your second cable tie, and this just makes a loop so you can attach a lanyard to it, like there. So now I have your 2 cable ties attached. You just want to test it to make sure that goes up and down. And then you want to get your lanyard or whatever you've got as your pull cord, pull that up to the desired length that you want it. So that will come over the top there, so it's going to hang down about that much. So if that's too long, you can obviously just tighten this cable tie just to make it a little bit shorter. So now you've got the cable ties to the desired length, you just want to cut off the excess. And now you can put your rear panel back on. So that's the lanyard attached. So as you see, it opens from the inside. It's really simple like that. So that's how you do the lanyard hack on your back doors. It's so much better than obviously getting out, walking around, especially if the ground's wet or you've been for a surf, and it's really good for camping. So like always, hit that subscribe button, it's helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.